I received a question. Someone asked how to print document or photo from computer or laptop to printer. I'm going to do this demonstration with Acer Aspire 5 laptop, and we are using Canon Pixima MG3650 printer to do this demonstration or this tutorial. So what you need to do is first you need to make sure your laptop and printer are connected to the same network. And once they are connected to the same network, what you need to do is then you need to go to your file, okay, on your computer file explorer, select on it. So these are documents or files on my computer. So you need to go to wherever you save the document. The document I want to print out is in the download section. So select the downloads. Okay, these are documents or files downloaded on my PC. So what I'm doing now is scroll down to particular file that I want to print out. Okay, Vinnez TV tutorial. So we have PDF. So this is the file I want to print out. Open it up by double clicking it. Okay, and this is the file. So it's 2 pages document. Now to print this file out, what you need to do is you need to go on top. You will see a printer icon, printer image. You need to select on it. Select the printer icon. Then you need to scroll down to you need to go to the side to select the particular printer. So scroll down and look for this printer. This printer is MG3650 or MG3600 series. Is available. It will show you it's ready. So you select on the printer. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to select how many copies. Okay, so use up and down to select how many copies you want to print out, and also select layout. This is currently in portrait, so you can select landscape or layout. So it's currently in portrait. Then you select how many copies if you want to print all. So this document is 2 pages, so we are going to print all. Okay, now if you want to print even page, for instance, or odd page, you select odd and type the particular number, or type even and type the particular number. Or if you want to select page in range, then you select the last dot here and type the page in range. Okay, now select the color. You want to print this color and also want to print it. So if you scroll down, then you select you want to print black and white or colored. So we want it in colored. Now the next is print on both sides. So we want to print this document on both sides, long edge. Then you select print. So this document now is going to print out. Click OK. Okay, so we are printing this document double-sided. Here we go. Vinnez TV tutorial. So this is how to print documents from computer to laptop. Now another way to print document. This document, if you want to print it only single page instead of double-sided, then you go to print. Okay. Then select print on one side only. Okay, and if you want to print only page 1, then you go and type only page 1. Okay, so this document now is going to print only page 1. Okay, then you select. Then if you want to change it from color to black and white, then you select black and white and select print. So what we are doing now is we selected this document black and white, and we only printing only page 1 instead of page 2. Okay, and print on one side and select print. So this document now is going to print only page 1 and in black and white color. This is the document we printed out, black color, and we printed it only page 1. Another way to print documents from this laptop to your printer is for you to go to Image Garden. You need to link the printer together. So we go to Image Garden. Any document you have in the Image Garden, okay, open up Image Garden, quick menu. Here it is. So select, go to my Image Garden, open it up. Okay, then you select print. So once you select print photo, then you wait for the document to be ready. Okay, so then you need to go to the documents. Okay, so these are documents. So select the document. So this is the document I want to print out. To print this document out, you need to select print. When you select print, then you wait and also scroll down to select the correct printer. Okay, and it will show you the printer is available. And you can select paper size is A4, media type is plain paper, and printer range settings. It will show you to print all or print particular page. This document is only 1 page. Okay, then after is this page range, the next you need to do is you need to select print. Here we go. This is the document we printed out. This is the process to print document. 2 ways for you to print document from the laptop to your printer. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you, and stay blessed.